Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform 5 advanced trick moves. Let's start with Elastico. This is simple but also advanced because it requires good timing trick. In order to perform it, simply make this movement, or if you're running to the left side of the pitch, the same one but opposite. With this movement you can even trick goalkeeper. Next, let's do roulette. To perform roulette, while running to the right side of the pitch, you have to perform this movement. Right and roll downwards. You can also do it the opposite way, right and roll upwards. Sorry, left and downwards. This trick is not good if it comes to going through goalkeeper. Next, let's make advanced rainbow flick. To perform advanced rainbow flick, you have to push the right analog left, right, hold it for a second on right, and then press it right again. You have to allow your player to kick the ball forward. This trick requires very good timing. Next, let's perform advanced stepped over. To perform advanced step over, press and hold L2 R1 and then push right analog twice right or twice left. This trick is great in case you are facing few opponents. In the end, let's perform heel flip drag. To perform heel flip drag, we have to press and hold L1 and then perform this movement. This trick can get you a lot of plays. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.